It is important to set your jumping jack down properly, and when doing that, one of the most important things is putting your bedding away first and foremost. If we put the bedding away properly, it's going to help us be able to fit more gear inside of our jumping jack, and it's going to improve performance of the outer shell, that bag that encases the canvas. One of the main things, as you can see on this side that's already put away, is that skinnier pad is up on a vertical end there. And the reason why we do this is it gives structure to the bag. So when it's all zipped up and you get a rainstorm or anything like that, and you've got water that pools on the top of that bag, that bed right there is holding the zipper at the highest point. That's going to keep any of that water from being able to find its way down underneath the flap into the zipper and get into your canvas without you knowing. So again, it is important, very important, that everything is put away properly on the inside of your tent. And again, this will help fit more gear inside. So let's go ahead and show you how to put this away. This jumping jack in particular is just set up as the basic package. So it does just have one half bed at the moment. This is our 6x8 model, so it can fit an additional 3 half beds. I will kind of explain to you how to situate those half beds. So the first step that I would do is take that half bed extension out. We're going to leave it top side up, and we're going to set it down on that other pad over there, and we're going to sandwich that framework with the actual half bed pad. So we're going to take that and sandwich that between there, so that everything stays protected. You've got the soft padding on top. Now, if we had all 4 bed extensions that this trailer could take, we could do another stack here. So I would put the bed extension, the metal framework here, and then another pad on top. And I could do the other 2 in this position here if those other items were not there in the way. That would leave the other side completely free. It would have just the main basic pads down on the floor. So you would have all that extra space for the sleeping bags, the camp chairs, any of that other gear. So again, we're going to take that skinny pad. It is the first step. We're going to put it up vertical like you see there. Again, that's going to protect the canvas from getting water inside while it's got a pool of water on top, holding that zipper at the highest point. That bigger pad then goes down to the ground next and slides up against that pad. Now, as you can see, we're not putting any padding or other gear down the middle. You do need the middle to be clear so that the framework has a place to go down. I have seen lots of times where customers will just throw everything in here and it kind of crosses over the center, and that framework comes down and damages something. So it is designed to have the center completely clear and free of anything else, any gear or any padding.